Today we're doing an exhaust wrap on my lawnmower. I just bought this and I've never done exhaust wrapping before, so that's gonna be very interesting to see how this turns out. I'm gonna show some stuff here before we start. To start with, this is how the exhaust looks now. We're gonna wrap it to not destroy any paint and stuff down here. We're gonna paint this black, but it's not finished yet. I wanna make this winch install look factory. Maybe a little skid plate down here, but that's gonna be another video. We are painting this. I'm gonna do one more hole here that didn't really line up, one more bolt, and then we shall be ready. I did the wiring a 2 weeks ago, which ended up really nice. Start there because this is really tied in place. Here is the control. Then the cable goes there, underneath this here, and here they come out. So this turned out pretty nice. If you haven't watched the previous videos, you can watch them when you watched this, when you're done watching this. Let's get started.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time.